Hello, EJ here with Back Porch Antiques. Wouldn't it be cool to have an antique radio with Bluetooth capability? Well, that's what we've got here, and I wanted to highlight this particular piece to you today and show you just a little bit about it. We have a very good vendor here that converts these radios, antique radios. He's actually doing some big case radios. This particular piece is a tabletop radio, and he has converted them to Bluetooth capability. So you have that antique look, that very vintage style display, but you have Bluetooth capability to where you can play any music you want to and not have to worry about turning in the tubes and all of that particular thing. And that's really what you had with these old radios. They were tube driven. When you turned them on, they would hum until the tubes actually warmed up. Then you would have to work really carefully to bring in a good radio signal, and you'd sometimes even have to use the rabbit ears and the aluminum foil trick depending on how far out in the country you lived. But with modern technology, we now have the capability to hot rod our old radios. It's kind of the same thought of taking an old car and putting a new engine in it. You can do the very same thing with an old radio. This particular piece is a 1939 Firestone Air Chief radio. And you can see it's got all the original buttons, retains all the dial work and the woodwork and things like that. Has all of the look. This particular setup here, the only button that controls anything is this particular switch right here. It is the on-off switch that will work. It's been retrofitted with lights so that it glows, but everything works well off of a current Bluetooth setup. Now, he has several different options about which particular piece that he uses. Puts a new speaker in it, wires it to the Bluetooth setup. It has a remote control so that you can work the tuner, so that you can fast forward through particular videos. All that as well can work from your Bluetooth device. Very good audio quality, and again, you can play anything that you have on your media device straight to this particular piece. You can even use it with a USB cable. Again, these are available here at the Back Porch Antiques. I'm sure the vendor might possibly take an order if by chance you wanted something specific, or if you had a family heirloom that maybe you wanted to be converted. But anyway, you can find that right here at the Back Porch Antiques.